because there's many generation they live here. For me, my dad, he's died here in his house, so I have memory here. Without past, okay, you can't live the future. So when you ask what that's mean a lot. That's mean a life. When the fish go outside the water, die. This is the relationship between the land and the Palestinian. If you go to plow your land, they came to kick you outside the land. So you can't plant your land, you can't graze the sheep there because of the settler violence and the Israeli occupation. There is a lot of people, okay, they saw the movie and they understand the story now. There is a lot. But on the ground, you know, we can't change just like everything in the same time. So that's needed time. But we success because there is a lot of people, they understand now what's happened here. And that's the goal from the movie.